You have less than $10,000, but you still want to start a business. Well, this won't work out. Just kidding. Starting a business can be rough, especially in the beginning when you don't have too much money, but it is not a mission impossible. The world in the recent years changed significantly and there are more opportunities for motivated entrepreneurs than ever. Manual work is appreciated, more and more new industries are appearing, and a lot of things are going on which can be favorable for new entrepreneurs like you. In this video right now I have collected 8 excellent business ideas which can be started with less than $10,000. So keep watching, and if you feel that one of them is favorable for you, then please don't hesitate to subscribe, hit a like on this video and check out one of my previous videos too. Virtual assistant. Becoming a successful virtual assistant is very simple. Just know how to fulfill all of your employer's needs. Sounds easy, right? If you are really considering this opportunity, then you must have a solid knowledge regarding time management, how to arrange business trips, how to organize different events, and as you are a virtual assistant, you need to have experience in the world of online marketing, which covers from website design through customer support or even more. Maybe it sounds a bit too much to start a business like this, but here is the good news. It will definitely cost you less than $10,000. The process is very straightforward. Start a website, decide your service portfolio, and lastly look for clients where networking and online presence will play a huge part. All in all, being a virtual assistant can be an excellent business idea if you love to do different kind of tasks and you are not afraid of multitasking. And of course you are willing to meet with new people in order to grow your business further. Babysitter. Nowadays it's harder than ever to become the world's best parent for your children. All moms and dads want to make sure that their kids have everything. Therefore they have to work a lot, but at the same time sometimes they would like to spend a romantic dinner together. No matter what is their reason, a professional babysitter can help them out in the explained situations. Becoming a professional babysitter takes time, as you need to have a solid background that you have experience on this field. But the great news is that you can start it immediately if you find this opportunity promising. For sure, it is undoubtable that you need to have patience for the kids, and it is also not bad if you love to be around them. Nonetheless, parents can be very grateful if you have experience regarding how you can develop their children's skill sets with different kind of techniques and methods. Gardener. Becoming a gardener is another outstanding business idea what you can start with less than $10,000. In the beginning you will only need a few gardening equipment and also a car which can carry all of your stuff. Raking, watering, digging or mowing the lawn. All of these works can be done with the simplest gardening tools, and of course your customers will be very satisfied, especially if they don't have time to do these kind of works after an exhausting day. The best in this business idea is that you can think forward and how you can grow this. You can hire new people when you have enough customers to cover their payments, and of course you can extend your services like tree planting, garden construction or installing irrigation systems. Pet groomer. Do you love cats and dogs and other animals? If the answer is yes, then becoming a professional pet groomer is a promising opportunity for you which can definitely be started with less than $10,000. So what will you need in the beginning? Certainly a place where you can welcome your 4-legged cute guest, which can be even one room of your house. Next, you will have to get all kind of tools which will be needed for the pet grooming. A bat, a quiet hair dryer, different kind of scissors and pet cosmetics. You can buy all of them in a package with great discount. And lastly, you need to promote yourself to find your first clients. First of all, you can recommend yourself through social media or among your friends and family members. Or if you still have some money for advertising, then you can start some kind of online campaigns. Similar to gardening opportunity, you can also think forward how you can grow your business even further. You can try to sell different kind of toys and pet supplies, or come up with new services like pet taxi or fur dyeing. Personal trainer. If you already fell in love with exercising, then don't hesitate to make money with it. So what do you need? First, you have to become a professional certified personal trainer, which might cost you few $100s. Second, look for a gym where you would like to train your clients and buy a membership. Lastly, do some networking, build your own personal brand, and of course, in the end, make some money. This business idea is very popular at the moment, which means that the competition might be a bit higher, but still it is a very promising opportunity because more and more people would like to live healthier, in which exercise plays a key role. Cleaner. Since 2020, when first time the pandemic appeared, all kind of hygiene products were oversold within a few weeks. And companies quickly realized that they have to take hygiene seriously in their offices and buildings. Without any doubt, the pandemic helped to boom the cleaning services more than ever. Similar to gardening opportunity, this business idea won't require $10,000 to start. So what do you need? Get some cleaning equipment and a car and you are ready to go. In the end, you only need to decide what kind of cleaning services would you like to offer for your potential customers. It can be window cleaning, vacuuming, disinfecting, or collecting garbage, and much more. Home restaurant. Do you love cooking? And do you also have some free space at your home? Then this business idea is especially for you. Start a home restaurant where you can cook and serve your own food for your guests. So why this business idea is brilliant? First, you can cook in bigger portions, which means that you can get discount because you are buying the ingredients in bulk. Secondly, what you cook for your guests can be also your meal for the rest of the week, which can help you to save you extra money. And I don't say that this idea will help you to become a full-time entrepreneur, but it is an excellent way to earn some extra money and also get a taste of the world of hospitality. And who knows what happens next? Maybe someday you will become the next Michelin star restaurant owner thanks to this business idea. Handyman. Are you a big fan of DIY? Are you the type of person who always loves to fix everything around the home? Then I have good news for you. You are just sitting on your next income source. Starting a business as a handyman is promising. Even the smallest task around people's homes pays well. And honestly, you don't have to be a professional painter, electrician or plumber to get things done. The best thing in this idea is that you probably have all kind of tools which will be needed for your upcoming works. So literally, you can start this business with zero money. Certainly some kind of advertising can fasten up your growth, but it is completely fine if you can only utilize the free online advertising opportunities. So that was all for today, and I hope you enjoyed my 8 business idea which can be started with less than $10,000. As I already mentioned in the beginning, if you find any of these ideas favorable for you, then please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, check out my previous videos, and see you next week.